So guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you our dairy shed. Let's go show you how we feed our cows. This is the store where we keep our grass. This is the napier grass, and these are the hay. These are the hay which are used to supplement the napier grass when they are not sufficient. This is the machine used to crush the hay into the reasonable sizes. So I'm going to show you how to feed them. We are going to cut them to some sizes. We had some. So we are going to give them. We're going to put them on the truck. You can see they're feeding on the trunk. You have to do like this for them to love you. You can see these are the water trunks. These are where the water is kept, and that is the drum where we harvest the water for the whole year. That is where they sleep. This is the place where they sleep during the night. The place has to be cleaned at least once in a week. These are the salt. You can see the shape. They always leak all corners, as you can see. So they leak when they want. And this is where the calves are. This is where the calves stay. Come on, eat, come on, eat. Yeah, so this is our small dairy shed. We will continue to improve on it. Give me your comments there. Thank you. Bye bye.